Hey backyard dippers, welcome back to the channel. If you own a pool, you know how much fun it can be, but also how important it is to keep an eye on safety, especially if you have little kids in the house like myself. Well, today I've got something that could seriously change the way you think about pool safety. It's called the SwamCam. It's an innovative product that combines technology and peace of mind, and in this video we're going to discuss everything you need to know about it. So let's dive in. So what is the SwamCam? Simply put, it's a specially designed pool safety camera designed to monitor your pool 24/7, giving you real-time alerts and peace of mind. Whether you're inside the house, at work, or on vacation, SwamCam lets you keep an eye on what's happening in the pool at all times, all from the palm of your hand. When you open up the box, this is what you should expect to be included. Of course, the SwamCam itself, which is weatherproof and designed to be placed anywhere, a mounting kit for easy installation, a charging cable to power it up, and like everything, a user manual to get you started. Setting up the SwamCam is super simple. You mount it on the side of your pool, either on a fence, a poolside table, or even on the wall, and you simply power it on. Okay? It syncs with your phone using a dedicated app so you can instantly view the pool area while also getting notifications. The camera streams live footage straight to your phone, giving you a real-time view of what's happening in the water. And here's the best part. Unlike a traditional pool alarm, the app can alert you if the camera detects any unusual activity before there's a problem. So you can take action and prevent a child or pet falling into the pool if you're not around. Now you might be wondering, why is this important? Well, here's the thing. Drowning is the leading cause of unintentional injury death for children ages 1 through 4, and over 3,500 deaths occur annually from drowning in the US alone. But here's the kicker. Most drownings, they happen silently, and that's where the SwamCam comes in. It's always on, always watching, and ready to proactively alert you if something's wrong. This can make all the difference, especially if you're not able to watch the pool constantly. Now let's talk about how the app works. It's got customizable settings so you can decide what kind of alerts you want to get. For example, you can set it to notify you of any motion, or you can fine-tune it to only alert you if there's movement near the pool. You can even view past footage if you ever want to review what's happened earlier. But it's not just for safety. It's also great for convenience. Whether you're enjoying a barbecue or having friends over, you can check the pool from your phone to make sure everybody's okay without having to keep a constant eye on the water. So why does everybody with a pool need a SwamCam? Well, because it's the perfect combination of safety and convenience, purpose-built for pool owners. It helps you protect your loved ones while offering that extra peace of mind you deserve. And it's easy to install and use, no complicated setup or technology required. So if you have a pool or know somebody who does, make sure you check out the SwamCam. With this device, you can always know what's going on in your pool. Check out the link in the description to get your own SwamCam today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the next video.